Hey there everybody. Hey there everybody. Joshua Szafran here with Remax New Beginnings. I am here at the Relay for Life event in White Marsh, Maryland. It's going to be a great time. I'm going to show you what we have going on at my table real quick. We have some great little giveaways here. We put together this nice summer 4th of July barbecue basket. You got some chips, some charcoal, lighter, some 4th of July flags, 4th of July themed tableware as well. Some really good stuff in there. Do some burgers, hot dogs, some corn, all good stuff. It is a free raffle, everybody. So come on down, enter to win. See this little thing? Enter to win. Check it out, everybody. Great stuff going on. I'm here with my good friend Taliba Anderson. You see her pretty picture there. You will see her in just a moment. We have bubbles for the kiddos. We also have some light sticks for later on. We have some great information about the real estate in the area. That's put away for now, but I'll take that out later on. Don't you worry. We got our Remax balloons flailing all around. Draw some attention, of course. And then to my right is Taliba Anderson.
Hi,
Taliba, say something.
Hello. We are out here at the Relay for Life. Everybody should come out and support this. It's for cancer awareness. We are in White Marsh, right off of Crossroads. Come on out and see us.
All right, guys. I'm going to leave you to it for now. Don't want you driving down here on the phone. Don't want you getting any accidents. Come on down and see us, and I will check in as the day continues. Have a great time, everybody. Real quick. Okay, I didn't switch back to my face camera. Now you can see me. I'm going to sign off. Like I said, have a great time. Enjoy your Saturday. Come out, support the event.